Welcome back to my channel. Learn with Ms. Lily. Greeting and leave taking.
Assalamualaikum, Grandma.
Wa alaikum salam, Hanifa. Take a seat, please.
Thank you, Grandma.
How are you doing?
I'm doing fine. Alhamdulillah.
Do you still go to your campus?
No, Grandma. We do distance learning.
What is that?
We learn from home. We do our assignments at home. We don't need to come to the campus.
Is it easier?
It depends on the lectures given.
How can you join the lectures?
We join video meeting. The lecture is held using the internet.
I see.
15 minutes later.
I'm sorry, Grandma. It's time for me to go home.
Okay. Take care of yourself. Don't forget to wear your mask.
I will. Thank you, Grandma. Goodbye.
Bye bye.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.